Okay, so when you get logged into Lucidpress, you're going to come over here to brochures and you're going to see a whole bunch of different templates here. The blue ones are templates that we can use for free. If they're green up here, then you would need the pro paid version. So don't choose any of those. Find a template that has the 3 panels here. There's 3 panels on the front and on the back. You're going to fill out both sides. So choose a template and create new. Once you've picked a template, you should have gone back to the Google Classroom and commented on the assignment to say which one it was that you picked so that not everybody gets the same one. Then once you're here, it's really easy to come in here and edit the text. And you can change the pictures. By searching for some of your pictures, uploading them. You might have found some pictures on Google, the free images, those would have been fine to use. Once your brochure is all done, both the front and the back, you should have a front and a back, then you're going to come up here and hit download. And my screen's not quite big enough. Here we go. Down here at the bottom, there's another download button that you'll hit that. And then it's going to generate the file. And your completed brochure will pop up down here at the bottom of your screen where you can save it and upload that to the Google Classroom. So that's how you're going to create and turn in your brochure. Some of you only did the front, you didn't do the back side. You need to have both sides of that. Some of you didn't get it turned in. So this is how you do that.